Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a unique index in the MongoDB database. Let's start by inserting a document in the property collection using the insert1 method. Next, I'm going to use the find method to select all the documents from the property collection. Now say I wanted to create a unique index on the APN field. To do that, I'll use the createIndex method with unique option set to true. Now if I try to insert another document with the same APN, I would get a duplicate key error. The insert should go through if I make the APN unique. Note you can also set a unique constraint on multiple fields. This is called a compound index. In this example, I'm creating a unique index on the combination of APN and state fields. Now I should be able to insert a document with the same APN but with a different state. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.